Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile icon available for us, and just beside that there is the inbox option available for us. We'll be tapping on the inbox option, and over here we will be blocking someone on TikTok from the chat section of our TikTok. So in order to do that, you'll be required to find that person whom you want to block on this section. And for example, I'm going to do it to my friend over here. And after you open your friend's chat, this interface will appear, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right, and you will be able to view the block option available for us just below the pin to top. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that block option, and here it says guys, they will not be able to send you message, see your post, or find your profile. They will not be notified that you blocked them. Now in order to proceed, simply tap on the block button at the right side of the box, and then that person on TikTok will be blocked. And there, this is how to block someone on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.